Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic, that is prism and refraction of light through a prism. Let's understand what do you mean by prism. Prism is nothing but a transparent medium bounded by 5 plane surfaces and a cross section of triangle. This can be observed with the help of the diagram below. Students, you can easily understand that a prism is made up of 2 triangular surfaces and 3 rectangular surfaces. This prism can be represented symbolically by a triangle ABC in a simple way. Now, after understanding what do you mean by prism, let's understand refraction of light through a prism. Let's consider prism ABC made up of glass which is placed in air. Now consider a light ray of single color, say PQ, incident on the surface AB. Students, always remember, whenever a light ray is incident on the surface, the first thing that you have to draw is a normal. After drawing normal, can you please tell me, students, the light ray, when it travels from rarer medium to denser medium, will it bend towards the normal or away from the normal? Yes, it will bend towards the normal and you get a refracted ray QR. Now again, this refracted ray inside the prism will act as incident ray but on the surface AC. Now what you have to do, students?
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.